Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install Active Directory Domain Services, also known as ADDS, and how to promote a Windows Server 2022 machine into a domain controller. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so even if you're new to Windows Server, you'll be able to follow along easily. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a Windows Server 2022 system installed, administrator access and a static IP address configured. A static IP is very important because domain controllers must have a fixed network address. First, let's configure a static IP address. Go to the Start menu and open Network Settings. Click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Now uncheck Internet Protocol version 6 and select Internet Protocol version 4, and click Properties. Here, choose Use the following IP address. Enter your IP address 192.168.40.122, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and default gateway 192.168.40.1. For DNS, you can use the same IP address as your server IP address 192.168.40.122. Click OK and close all windows. Now your server has a static IP address. Next, we'll install the Active Directory Domain Services role. Open Server Manager from Start menu. Click on Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Select Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation, then click Next. Choose your server from the list. Our server IP 192.168.40.122 is showing already selected and click Next. Now, check the box for Active Directory Domain Services. A pop-up will appear. Click Add Features. Click Next. Leave default as we don't have to select anything from here. Click Next. Click Next. The following roles, role services, and features by default to install our server. Also select Restart automatically if required and click Install to start the role installation. This process may take a few minutes. Installation finished and there is no error. Click Close. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a notification flag at the top. Click on it and select Promote this server to a domain controller. Now choose Add a new forest. Enter your root domain name. For this example, I'll use funmaster4.local. Click Next. Leave default new forest and root domain level. Set a directory services restore mode password. Make sure you remember this password. Click Next. You may see a DNS delegation warning. This is normal, so just click Next. It is showing automatically NetBIOS domain name. If you want to change it to different name, you can change here. I can change it to FM4, short form of FunMaster4. Click Next. Specify the location of database file store. I am leave default here. Click Next. Review your selection, and if everything looks okay, then click Next. All prerequisite check passed successfully. Click Install. Start installation. The server will restart automatically after installation to apply domain controller setting effect. I am pause video here. It is take time to install domain controller. I am come back once server restart after installation done. You'll notice the login screen now shows your domain name. After reboot, log in using your domain administrator account. Once logged in, open Server Manager. Go to Tools and click on Active Directory Users and Computers. If this opens successfully, congratulations, your domain controller is working. You can also see your domain listed here. Under your domain controller you can see the users, computer and domain controller OU. That's it. You have successfully installed Active Directory Domain Services and created a domain controller in Windows Server 2022. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments if you want tutorials on creating users in Active Directory, joining client machines to the domain, or group policy configuration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.